Okay, guys, check this out. This is Mosha, and Mosha's Reggae Lounge coming to you from Rancho Típico. Okay. Coming to you from Rancho Típico, okay, with my boy Peter. I'm not even gonna put him in my damn video, he's too ugly.
Yeah.
I'm putting the fucking pretty girl. Listen, I just brought him some
Wednesday night.
I bring him some brown stew chicken just to taste. And the girls work here taste my food. Mi amor, diga a la gente como la comida.
Es buena.
She
Muy
said,
buena.
She said it's very good. ¿Y tú, mi amor?
Es la mejor comida jamaiquina que he probado.
She said it's the best Jamaican food she ever tasted, and this one is telling me she's having an orgasm.
Yes.
I got an orgasm for my food. So this is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, the first Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. Authentic Jamaican. With my boy over here. Hey, what's your name again? KB in the house. KB's here with the crew. We're doing it up at the Rancho Típico. Hey, yo, guys, check this out. I'm putting some bites for Peter. We're gonna start supporting Peter, okay, guys? I'm gonna start doing Jamaican nights over here. I'm gonna cook
Every
the food.
Wednesday night.
We're gonna try to set it up for every Wednesday night. But check me first, and we're gonna do some real shit. Look at the girls. Look at them.
They got the bar going on.
They fighting for the food over here. Look. Okay, here come another one. Look at them.
Okay, Benito.
They're fighting for my brown stew chicken. The real brown stew chicken in Mosha's Reggae Lounge, the first Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. But she is the favorite because she going crazy. Look
And
at my
I
manager.
like meh.
She like, man, that means she like the curry goat. She like the curry goat. Oh, shit. She in love with the curry goat. That's what she.
Yes.
Mira, mi amor. Dice, curry goat.
Curry goat.
Okay.
Yes, that's what she's talking about.
Curry goat.
So, mira, mami, dice, boom shakata.
Bon shakata.
There's nothing greasy.
All right, guys, so this is Mosha out.